So this is the broken cord. Somehow a piece of it ended up in my surge protector. I'm not sure how. I went to Lowe's and got this, I guess, an additional plug, and you can unscrew it and take it apart. And what I ended up doing was I just cut that broken cord off, and I use this tool here, which is absolutely wonderful. It's a serious game changer. It makes wire stripping so easy. You don't cut any cords, you don't cut any wires, and I was able to strip the cord quite easily. I had already started stripping the black and white cord that is with my Cobalt compound miter saw, and I connected the black wire to the gold screw already. So I'm tightening it up, and now you'll see me go and curve the wire for the white cord, or the white wire. It's a little loose, so I'm gonna curve it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna hook that around the screw, the silver screw, and then I'm going to take my screwdriver once I get it snug under there, and I'm going to tighten it, but not too tight because you don't want to cut the wires. Keep in mind, I'm not an electrician at all. I'm just showing you how I put my cord together after brainstorming forever, trying to figure out how I'm gonna fix my favorite saw. I thought I had to order a new cord, but found out that, hey, I can just cut this piece off and connect it to a store-bought cord. So now both are connected. I'm going to slide the orange piece up and put everything together in a few minutes, but I just wanted to let you see all of that. This particular piece also came with a ground screw, but I didn't need to use it. So now I'm connecting everything together, and it comes with one screw. So super easy. This is a 3-prong device, as you can see. And you just push down, make sure everything is flush. I take my Phillips screwdriver and the screw that came with it, and trying to fit it in there properly and just screw it on. So there it is. I didn't have to throw away my compound miter saw. I didn't have to get a new one. When you buy tools, you're so excited and you don't know what you did with the warranty, what cell phone number you use, anything like that. So, you're not able to be worked with anymore. So I was like, all right, what can I do? I love this saw. So went to Lowe's and figured it out. So now I'm testing it out, trying to see if this thing works. Oh, you don't know how excited I was. That's my little shimmy, my little dance. So excited I got my saw back. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.